Let's create a real-time currency converter using JavaScript. This tool will allow users to convert between different currencies by fetching live exchange rates from an API. This project is perfect for understanding API integration and basic DOM manipulation in JavaScript. It'll help you practice working with APIs and updating your web page dynamically. Let's get started. So, what exactly will our currency converter do? It will take an amount in one currency, convert it to another currency using live exchange rates, and instantly display the result. We'll use the ExchangeRate-API to get real-time rates, so make sure you have your API key ready. To access live currency exchange rates, we'll need an API key from ExchangeRate-API. Sign up on their website for a free key and replace your API key in the code with your actual key. Let's start with a basic HTML structure that includes input fields for entering the amount and selecting the currencies, a button to convert, and an area to display the result. In the HTML, we set up input fields for the amount, 2 drop-downs for selecting currencies, and a button to trigger the conversion. There's also a result division where we'll display the converted amount. We'll link our CSS for styling and our JavaScript for functionality. Now let's add some simple CSS to style our currency converter app. This CSS styles the input fields, drop-downs, button, and result display area for a clean, simple look. You can customize it further if you'd like. First, we need to fetch the list of supported currency codes from ExchangeRate-API. Our Fetch Currencies function makes an API call to get the currency codes, and if successful, passes them to Populate Currency Options, which adds each currency as an option in both drop-down menus. Now, let's add the main Convert Currency function. This function gets the amount and selected currencies from the user. If there's no valid amount, we alert the user. Then we create a URL with the selected currencies and the amount, make a fetch request, and get the converted amount. If there's an error, we'll log it for debugging. To display the conversion, we create DisplayResult function that updates the result division with the converted amount. Now, when the user clicks Convert, the app displays the result right away. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful currency converter in JavaScript. We've used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to build the interface, fetched live currency data from an API, and created functions to handle conversion and display. This app is a great introduction to working with APIs and DOM manipulation. Currency converters are widely used by travelers, e-commerce sites, and businesses operating internationally. This type of application can be extended further to include historical rates, multiple conversions at once, or even a chart of currency trends. Thanks for watching, everyone. Try building this currency converter yourself and experiment with adding more features like search option for currencies and convert to multiple currencies at a time, and show off your app in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick coding challenges and tutorials. Happy coding!